Hello YouTubers. Today I'd like to talk about proper disposal of your empty fuel cans. Once you've emptied your fuel can, it's not completely empty. There's still a little bit left inside of the canister, which can make it dangerous when trying to dispose of it. And that's where this comes in. This is Crunchit by Jetboil, and it's pretty simple to use. Remove the little protective sleeve, screw it onto the can, and when you screw it on, there's a little pin in there that helps to release the pressure in it, and then you just pierce the can as such. And now it is safe to either recycle or throw away as you see fit. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more, click subscribe. Please also consider supporting us on Patreon so that we can continue to make more of these videos. And you can also join us on our Discord server. The links will be in the description below.